Okay, here we go again. It's supposed to rain. My head is killing me, but wah, wah, wah. All right, watch out, Skelly. Can't come in the house. You know you can't come in the house. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's still humid out though. We're supposed to get rain today. Okay, yeah, they're following the container. So, hey! Break it up! Break it up! Break it up! Hey, hey, hey! Break it up. Alright, come on. Down to the dock. I'm only giving you one today. Down to the dock. Yep. Down to the dock. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's still hot. Okay, I'm gonna get rained on. Well, the rain never hurt anybody. I can't get rid of these migraines, y'all. I don't know, maybe they're not migraines. Maybe they're just tension headaches or I don't know what they are. Okay, listen, we're not gonna do this all day, okay? We're not gonna do this all day. They go for the container now. Ugh. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, here comes the rain. All right, so I'm going to dump some more out. And then I'm going back up to the house because it's raining. It just started raining. Not that I mind being in the rain. Listen, look at it. It's so cool in the water. But before it downpours on me, we'll go back up to the house. Everybody have a happy Friday. Got friends coming over for pre-birthday celebration tomorrow. I'm excited. But hopefully it won't rain so we can play croquet and play outside. Oh, honey. Oh. All right. I don't know. There's a little bit left. Come here. There you go, buddy. There you go. That's all yours, okay? There you go. Yeah. And then Sunday I do paint night with the girls, so I'm excited about that. I just need these headaches to go away. My doctor will say, why aren't you taking the headache medicine I gave you? And I have my own reasons for not taking it, so I don't like the side effects. Oh, I guess that needs to be filled. Ugh, it's looking pretty nasty. Let's pull it out. Yuck. Alright, maybe the rain can fill it up. Good, they're staying down there. I need to have some coffee and breakfast. Yeah, this is our circle right here where we set up our croquet field. He bought some more lights so we can see what we're doing at night. And his stuff that he planted the other day is starting to come up. It's supposed to attract hummingbirds. I don't know. We'll see. And a little tomato. Yeah. All right, back to housework. See ya.